The news report is about the end of the world's fail. The shots used in this are mainly medium shots of the presenter. The scene then switches to outside of an established shot of the Stonehenge. It also shows close-ups of the people singing and celebrating. When one of the citizens is being interviewed, they use a medium close-up shot. The news report is formal and appropriate to be presented. The presenter dresses formal, but the people are dressed up in costumes for the event happening. The news report is mainly voiceover. It is suitable for anyone of any age, gender, race and sexuality, but children may not watch it because they may not be interested or understand it.